Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Andrew Chwalik. I run the Creativity Killed Cats podcast, which means I'm a podcaster, which also means I use microphones. And the thing that is sitting right in front of me in this box just so happens to be one of those, a microphone. The company that makes this microphone, Fifine, actually saw that I was a podcaster and said, hey, you probably need a microphone. And I was like, hey, I do need microphones because I make podcasts. So they were like, you want to try out ours? And I said, let's do it. And that's why we're here, because we are checking out Fifine's microphone. And first things first, we need to unbox it so we can actually try it out. Let's do it. It is time to unbox the Fifine K668 microphone. Let's open it up and see what is in this beautiful box. First things first, instructions, makes sense. A nice little thank you note, you're welcome. Instructions and user guide, nice. Actually, that's pretty clear and pretty simple. I like it, but I don't need instructions. We good to go. Protective foam padding for this lovely looking microphone. Just taking it out of the box, it's pretty heavy duty. That is the microphone. This is the microphone cover and the microphone stand. Let's get all the rest of these goodies out of here. Look at the good stuff. Well, pretty simple. Microphone mic cord, microphone cover, microphone stand. Just 3 pieces. I'm pretty sure I can handle that. Okay, here's the microphone itself. Looks pretty slick, and it's actually quite heavy, which makes me feel pretty good. Solid metal finish. Plus the microphone stand connector is already attached to the microphone itself, which means less pieces overall, which also means that's good for travel. I'm a podcaster, but I travel around the world, so it makes sense that I need to have a microphone that I can take with me on the go pretty easily. And the less pieces I have to deal with, the better. So having the microphone stand already attached to the microphone along with the USB cord permanently attached makes me feel pretty good. Looks like this is travel ready. Now let's see how long it takes me to assemble this microphone. Well, the assembly literally took 30 seconds. You just screw on the base stand and put on the microphone cover and you're ready to rock and roll and start recording some awesome stuff. Now that we have this slick little microphone assembled and ready to record, let's do just that. Let's test this microphone out for what it was made to do and record some podcasting audio. Now it's time to test out the audio for this Fifine microphone. Throughout this entire video and right now, the audio is coming through my camera and the shotgun microphone from Rode that I have on top. Now we're gonna be switching over the audio to this Fifine microphone that is sitting right in front of me. Ready, set, go. Well, hey there folks, now you are listening to the audio that is coming from the microphone that is sitting right here in front of me. And I'm talking about the Fifine K668. This microphone will have a variety of uses depending on what type of content you're hoping to create. But like I said, I am a podcaster, so that will be the use case that I will be using for this microphone. I have a podcast called Creativity Killed the Cat, where I take one small business and I look at a variety of different interesting and creative marketing concepts that small business could implement as soon as they finish listening to that episode. I am a little bit obsessed with marketing, but regardless, I host a podcast, so I need to have a microphone. And that's why we're testing out this bad boy. I just took a quick break from this video to actually hear some of the audio on my laptop that's coming from this microphone. Let me tell you what, for a $20 microphone that you can snag off of Amazon, this is pretty tasty. I don't mean you should actually eat it. It just produces some pretty high quality audio for just dropping a $20 bill. From my podcasting opinion, I would say this microphone is good to go, thumbs up. And my favorite piece about this actual microphone is the transportability. Is that even a word? This microphone just has 3 components and 2 if you leave the mic cover on it. You simply unscrew the microphone from the base folds up, and it all gets very compact. So when I am traveling around the world and still need to get my Creativity Kill the Cat podcast out there and produced, I'm good to go at any point in time. I could just sit down in some weird coffee shop and dish out a full episode of Creativity Killed a Cat with this microphone and not have to worry about the quality one bit. And hey, you've heard the audio yourself. Right now, you are listening to the Fifine K668 microphone while you're watching this video. You heard it here first. Literally. Thank you all for joining me on this unboxing and review of this Fifine K668 microphone. Hopefully it helps inform you on your microphone purchasing decisions and encourages you to go out and start your own podcast, because you should, because podcasting is cool. And when microphones only cost $20, you have no excuse. Huge thanks to Fifine for dropping me this microphone so I could test it out and create this review and tell the world about another sweet microphone that's available online on Amazon. Now, I'm out of here. I'm going to go think about creating a whole new podcast. Yes!